Hey, little artists! Do you want to draw a cool and yummy lemonade drink today? It's super easy and so much fun. Let's go!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a big U shape. This will be our lemonade glass. Now draw a small base at the bottom of the glass, so it can stand nicely. Let's add a straw on top. Draw a long line going up and bend it a little at the top. Now draw a lemon slice on the side of the glass. Make it a small circle with little lines inside. Now draw a curved inner line inside the glass. This shows the lemonade inside. Nice job, everyone! Our lemonade glass drawing is complete. Now go over your drawing and make the outline bold and sharp. Wow! Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. Let's color together. Green color.
Wow!
Lime color. Light red color. Blue color. Purple color. Bright and beautiful. Great job, little artists. You did amazing today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawing videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.